What can you see on the camera?
I see a fridge door with some magnets and papers attached. There's a sticker that says abundance at the top.
So now I open the door of the fridge. 冷蔵庫に何が入っているか英語で教えて。
Sure, I see some tomatoes on a shelf. There's a container with eggs and some jars and bottles. Anything specific you'd like to know?
I was just wondering what I should eat tonight for dinner. Do you have any recommendations based on what's in the fridge?
Sure. How about a tomato and cheese omelette? You have eggs and tomatoes, so that could be quick and delicious.
ありがとう。日本語で言ってください。
もちろんです。トマトとチーズのオムレツはいかがでしょうか？簡単で美味しいですよ。